In this biodemographic short, I consider the pace and shape of aging. Bodish in 2011 noted that in order to compare patterns of aging across species, it is important to deconfound two dimensions of age-specific change, which are the pace, that is the rate, and the shape, that is the pattern. She introduced a formal analytical framework where the standardized age can be calculated as the ratio of age and life expectancy. Thus, standardized age equals 1 life expectancy, and standardized mortality equals non-standardized mortality times life expectancy. The life table metrics she used include the age at which 1% of a cohort remains alive, mortality at the age when 1% are alive, mortality at expectation of life at birth, mortality at birth, and average mortality. Descriptions and formula for the ratios are given in this table, along with examples comparing the shape values for each and using the period life table for U.S. women in 1935 and 2015. Age at which 1% remain alive relative to the expectation of life, mortality at the age when 1% remain alive relative to mortality at birth, mortality at expectation of life relative to mortality at birth, mortality at the age when 1% remain alive relative to average lifetime mortality, and mortality at expectation of life relative to average lifetime mortality. With the exception of the first ratio involving the age at which 1% of a cohort remain alive relative to life expectancy at birth, all ratios were higher in 2015 than in 1935. And closer examination of changes in each ratio provides different types of insights into the rate and pace of aging as outlined in Bodish in 2011.